Pakistan is located at the origin which has great political, economic and strategic importance. Pakistan retained its position as the sixth most populated country in the world. Pakistan's significance is enhanced as it lies near the Persian Gulf, where 65% of the world hydrocarbon is produced. Exploration and production. The E&P business in Pakistan, as the rest of the world, has become increasingly tough, investment, risk and technology intensive. The country has been facing a huge challenge in meeting its ever-growing energy needs due to a growing population and economic growth. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) has now been inaugurated, and it is a project which aims to connect Pakistan with China with a network of highways, railways, and pipelines to transport oil and gas from Pakistan to China. Pakistan is an underexplored country where only 44% of the land is explored yet, whereas the success rate is much higher in the country as compared to the other region in the Middle East. The oil and gas sector of Pakistan is on the rise and working hard to fulfill the national demand, and it estimates to have 27 million barrels of reserves available that are recoverable for the use, whereas the consumption is 19.2 million tons. There are a total of 7 oil refineries, 267 oil and gas discoveries, and 850 wells drilled in Pakistan till now. It is estimated that 235 TCF of unconventional gas reserves are present, which needs verification through assignments to know how much are technically recoverable. Annual technical conference event was started by Society of Petroleum Engineers (SPE) in 1990. It was further joined by Pakistan Association of Petroleum Geoscientists in 1994. Moreover, the first joint PAPG SPE annual technical conference was held in 1998. PAPG SPE Annual Technical Conference is a key technical event of the upstream oil and gas industry of Pakistan, which takes place annually since its inception. The conference attracts around 1,000 to 1,500 industry professionals from E&P companies, academia service providers, and regulators from all over Pakistan, along with a good number of technology experts from overseas. The conference showcases latest trends and technologies used in the exploration of conventional and unconventional hydrocarbon resources in Pakistan. Students from all over Pakistan presenting leading universities in discipline of petroleum engineering and geosciences are encouraged and sponsored by societies to take part in the conference by contributing technical papers. A student paper contest also takes place every year. Until last year, around 530 technical papers have been shared to this platform. Also to highlight, there is a geological field excursion held every year covering different aspects of geosciences. This year's theme, Oil Price, Domestic Challenges and E&P Strategies, is quite relevant to the current environment as oil prices though causes a positive effect to the Pakistan economy but has a significant impact to the E&P sector. To this end, there is ever greater need to synergize the strategy together with geoscientists, petroleum engineers, reservoir production and drilling, etc., and the policy makers. The crude oil price is an important factor for the economy of any country, developed, developing, or underdeveloping countries. For those countries that produce and export crude oil, would prefer for higher oil prices to increase their foreign reserves to control the inflation. Pakistan imports crude oil and refines it locally for the consumption. Declining oil prices influence the stock market, particularly to the oil sector companies like OGDCL, MPCL, PSO, etc., resulted in loss of share price because of the profit margin reduced due to the price cut. On the supply side, when the prices fall, it is reasonable to expect that either more expensive production would be reduced to ensure profitability at new prices, or costs would fall, or some combination of the two. Indeed, cost inflation in the oil industry has started falling more recently as the industry adjusts to the new and lower price environment. This holds implications for the industry as cost deflation could materially improve the profitability of the projects. It is with this spirit the ATC is going to be conducted, as it is expected to attract a galaxy of geoscientists and engineers from industry and the academia. As such, this will provide an excellent forum to these people to interact, share knowledge, and learn from each other's experience.